Very good evening, friends and traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. If you see, yesterday it was a high drama. It went up, and the last hour it plummeted and closing near the low. Same pattern has been followed day on day except this day, Friday. Every day it closes near the bottom and then it gaps up and it starts moving down. Here, the same thing on Friday, it was a little bit gap up and moved to the top and closing near the bottom. Today, what the market did is gapped up and it almost went to the top. You can see the top was previous day high was 24,885 and this candle made 15-minute candle made 24,879, and then the whole day it traded within a very narrow range of 79 points and a dozy type of candle, very narrow range bar has been made on the Nifty. Probably anyone who have traded for the call option, unless if they are not expert, they might have call or put option, they might have lost money. Only experts could have taken trade actually. It gave an opportunity around 12 p.m., a very good opportunity, and the CE moved higher. I had mentioned the CE and PE. Actually, CE did well and when compared to the PE. Nifty, what can happen tomorrow? This is the close of the week. Thursday is expiry, and we can anticipate, since there is a consolidation at the top of the range, the market can move higher. That is the anticipation, since it has held all these lows. You can see all the lows it has held. And if we carefully see the intraday picture, let me zoom it out and you see the presence of the big money. Why I'm telling the presence of the big money is the low has been breached and closed inside. And again, around 2:30 p.m., all this low has been breached and they have taken the liquidity. The intention of the big money, smart money, you can see the smart money presence, and this will act as a strong support for tomorrow. 24,826 will act as a strong support, and also it is a 230 swing low. The market can move higher, cross this boundary, and it can trade higher. The range can be wide range also. It may be around 200 points range. We can anticipate if the market goes up, that is around here, 25,000, it can reach. From here to here, there is 130 points range. You can get 130 to 140 points range. It can cross this level, cross the 24,964 to reach the 25,007. There is a high possibility because market has shown inside, a small narrow range bar which is preparing. It is like a coiling at the top. It can move higher. It will have a huge big impact. It will, if it opens up, there will be a wide range of movement you can see on the Nifty. The VIX is 10.69 and daily high to be 25,007 and daily low to be 24,729. So it is midway between the two ranges, 24,729 to 24,000, midway between. So the price action, it is suggesting the market is going to continue its up move. Once it crosses this level, it can reach this peak, 25,007, even crossing this level, crossing above the 24,975. So the option premium to keep in your watch list is, let me go to this, and you have to keep 25,000. Let me go there. 25,000 call option you can keep. Suppose if it starts moving higher, 130 points or something, if it gets the value and it is cheap and you can utilize for that. And these are the supports. These are the supports, 48 to 61. And this premium has got the ability, if the market starts moving 868 to 900 points, it will gain 50 to 60 points in the market. 50 to 60 points. If the gamma increases, you can anticipate for so it can go up to 150 to 81 plus 50. You can anticipate for 120 to 130 points in this call option. And you can keep 24,850 put option. 24,800, sorry. I'm very sorry. 24,800 put option, you can keep it in your watch list and it is at the bottom, 79 rupees. In case if the Nifty dips to this level after going up, and if it dips, it has got value. And if if the market starts moving higher, it can come down and it can go up to, in any dip, it can give you value. So you can keep 24,800 put option in your watch list, because the immediate supports, you can see over here, immediate support is around 24,817. So if you see the put option over here, it is almost at the bottom. It may lose value, but in intraday time frame, suppose if the market fails, if it goes like this, if it gaps up or moves like this, and if there is any failure of the price action, say for example, if it is gapping up and if it starts moving down, then there is value, because the market may face some sort of resistance around 24,934. Suppose if the market gaps up to 24,930, that is 30 plus 30, 68 points, this premium can lose 30 points. It can 30 to 25 points. That can come around 50 to 63. 50 points it can lose. It can come around 50 points. We can anticipate 50 points down move in this. Tomorrow's price action will tell us, because this is an immediate resistance over here. They may trap also. The market may trap, go to this level, and it may start trading down also. There is highly possibility. Or in case, if it sustains, if it starts moving higher, it will be an up move towards the 25,000. If it successfully crosses 24,928, then market can reach the target of 25,007. So the options to keep it in your watch list is 25,000 call option and 24,800 put option in your watch list. In any case, suppose if the market fails and starts moving this, 24,800 put option will give you very good premium, and also it has got value. So, friends, we will anticipate for up move in the market, which can culminate towards the initially, it can go up to 24,934. There, we need to see what sort of price action. If the market gets rejected from that level, then it may start coming down, and it is very small, narrow border. It can start coming down and it can engulf and go down below this level. It can go down below this level. So daily low to be VIX level is 24,729. So tomorrow's opening and the price action will tell us how to place the trade, and you can keep these two options on your watch list. Thank you very much, friends. Actually, finally, the market has closed 100 points above the previous day close. That is 24,773 was the previous day close. It has closed around 24,868. Almost 90 points above, but the range was very narrow. So sometimes when the range is very narrow, the market is immediate resistance. Since it is having immediate resistance, if it gets rejected and starts trading down, it can engulf this box. It can go below this box to seek the liquidity. Even this box and this box, it can go below and go to the 24,729. We need to keenly watch the price action tomorrow. Tomorrow's price action is very, very important, and you need to be very watchful, and you should be hawk-eyed. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off, and I wish you all happy trading.